Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be October fortune. Okay, so how will be your life in the month of October? Today is October 1st, so I thought I'll record this video. How will be your future in the month of October? So it will be, we will cover all the aspects like love, career, then health, finances, money, everything we will try to find out from the spirits. Okay, so today for a change I have selected three cards here, so you can choose any one of the card. Okay, so we have the judgment as pile number 1, pile 2 the wheel of fortune, pile 3 temperance. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, or if you know the meaning of the card, you can choose the card and choose the pile accordingly. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile as per your intuition. Okay, then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me to do more and more videos, and helping me to grow along with you all. Okay, thank you so much. Then new viewers, new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and I promise you that I'll create more and more useful content for you so that you can see my videos regularly. Okay, don't forget to press bell symbol so that you can get the updates from my channel about my new videos. Okay, that's all. Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without wasting much time, let us continue the reading. Okay, then I will show piles one more time so that you... Pile 1, the judgment. Pile 2, wheel of fortune. Pile 3, temperance. Okay, so you can choose any one of the pile. Okay, that's all. Let us start the reading. Whoever chose pile number 1, the judgment card, so this reading is for you. Let us see what will happen in the month of October for you. Okay, we will ask spirits and angels what will happen in the month of October for my pile 1 people regarding their money, career, love and finance, health. Okay, let us see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What will happen in my pile number 1 viewers life in the month of October? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. What will happen in the month of October in my subscribers or viewers life? Please give some clarity. Okay, one card flew away. This is Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, Ten of Wands, Four of Wands, Queen of Swords, and bottom of the deck we have Two of Swords. Okay, so these are all the cards I have for pile number 1. Let us see one by one. Okay, so you might be, or the person you are dealing with, that person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I cannot see any more signs here, so please take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so first of all, you chose the card the judgment, so that means some kind of judgment is going to happen in your life in the month of October. So it can be reconciliation with your person, or you will be able to decide something. Maybe for long time you are not able to decide, not able to take a decision. That can be regarding your money also, career also, love life also, about a person also. But this month you will be carefully, you will be thinking and taking a decision. You will finalize something. So the judgment day will come in the month of October. So something you will close the chapter, something you will take a decision, and you will close the chapter which is pending for a long time. Okay, then this month you will be little bit confused also regarding a person or regarding any job or whatever it is. You will be little bit confused because I feel that this is regarding a person only, because this is kind of a blockage I feel. So you blocked somebody, or they blocked you in the in maybe few months back or 1 year back. Okay, I can see that it might be in the month of February or 2 months back somebody blocked you or you blocked somebody. Okay, so because of that you don't know what is happening in their life, and they don't know what is happening in your life, so you are confused with two, in between two people or two careers or two situations. You are confused in this month, you will be confused in this month, but don't worry, because of the judgment you will be definitely taking a decision based on the situation, whatever it is. Okay, you will be very very passionate in this month, so that means you will be very active and energetic, and you will have the passion for something. It can be related to your job, or it can be related to some artwork, art and craft, something you like to do, or maybe you want to take up a new energetic job like sales and mm, some marketing job, so where your skills should be out um, displayed to others. Maybe some of you are planning to be a model or an actor, or some people you want to go in the public as a public speaker. So all of these things you will be able to put it into action this month. This month will be a very very active month for you, so you will be definitely having lot of work in your hand, and you will be very confident, you will feel beautiful, and you feel very confident. I mean, whatever work you take up in general, I can say, so that you will be very very confident and passionate. Whatever work you are doing, you will concentrate on the work, and definitely you will be having the confidence to get it. Okay, so some of you might be having a new pet at home. Maybe you will bring a new pet at home, or you will be able to spend more time with your pet, maybe a cat or a dog. So you will be able to spend more time with your pet, and some of you will be like walking away from some person or some situation. Okay, but you are not able to move on from the person, even though you are trying to move on, but you will be looking backwards to the other person, whoever you are dealing with. Okay, otherwise in other words, if you are planning to leave a job and you want to move to another job, but still you are inclined to the previous job only, the way you used to work, you will be missing that job. So something like that, you will be missing that, and you are not able to move on from that previous job or a previous person. And also you will be very jovial and happy in this month, but at the same time you will have lot of responsibilities. I can see 10 of wands means there are lot of responsibilities. That is what I said, that you will be very busy, you won't have that much time also, but you will be walking away from the connection because of the so many responsibilities. But you are not sad. I'm not getting any sad feeling here. You'll be very strong, you'll be very powerful. And for some of you, very few of you, you might be having an engagement or a marriage. Maybe it is already fixed for you, the marriage, then a marriage will happen. Otherwise at least there will be some marriage will be fixed. If at all it is going on recently, then marriage will be fixed, because I can see the four of wands, it is a celebration card, it is a marriage card. At least someone will propose you for the marriage. Okay, some stable offer will come regarding the marriage, and definitely you will be on a strong powerful manner. And I can see some of you might have little bit slight headaches, or you will have little bit fever or something like that, but apart from that, no major health issues in this month of October. But I can tell you one thing, that you have to be very very careful with your words which you are using in the public or with anybody. Okay, because of your words, because of your the way you speak, it might give a wrong impression, or it might be converted into a fight. So because of that, you try to be very cool, calm. uh, you are doing a right thing, that is not a problem, but you have to talk in a smooth way. Okay, even though you are right, you have to explain to the other person in a polite way, you have to be little soft. Okay, don't pick up fights, because you are already in a very very good fortunate energy in this month. But little bit be careful with your words. Okay, that's all I'm getting for pile 1. So if you have any question in your mind, you can ask the spirits and angels, then they will tell you the answer. If you have any questions in your mind in the for the month of October or in general also, so then you can definitely choose ask your question to spirits, then they will give you the answer. Okay, once you are ready, let me know. I am closing my eyes and I will pick a chit. Okay, then you can get the answer. Okay, are you ready, guys? Okay, I closed my eyes, I picked one chit. Okay, let us see what is written in this chit. Okay, it is reconsider. Okay, so reconsider means whatever you are thinking, whatever decision you are going to take in the month of October, just rethink or reconsider. Okay, before doing it, you can point out all the pros and cons, if it is good or bad, so then you can proceed accordingly. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this card, Wheel of Fortune, this reading is for you. How will be your October month? We will see the fortune. How will be the month of October for you? Because it is 10. The Wheel of Fortune card number is 10. And this month is also 10. Okay. So let us see how will be your fortune in the month of October. How will be your health, finance, love, money, everything we will see. Your career. How will be everything in the month of October for my pile 2 people. Okay. Already we have 2 cards here. The Tower. Then the Emperor. 2 of Swords. 10 of Swords. 10 is very prominent for you. We'll pull one more card. The Lovers. And at the bottom of the deck we have 4 of Pentacles. Okay, so let us adjust the cards. Okay, so what I can see here after seeing this card, the signs you or your person might be, the person whom you are dealing with right now. So they might be Aries or Gemini or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you can take the fixed signs also like Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. Okay, any one of these signs might be yours or your person's signs. Okay, so please take it however it resonates with you. So number 10 is very very prominent for you for this month, in the month of October. So maybe this month is a very important month for you, maybe changing turning point for this month. Maybe this month may be your turning point in life, because what I can see is the Tower card. The Tower card means whatever you have in previous beliefs or previous misconceptions, everything will collapse and you will be reborn again. Okay, then you will be having the new perspective to look at life. Okay, so first of all let me clarify this card. Okay, whichever card you have chose this the Wheel of Fortune for this month, you chose this card, right? So the Wheel of Fortune means everything will happen in divine timing. Okay, and Wheel of Fortune symbolizes that the wheel is turning into your favor and you will get success, or whatever you want in your life you can manifest in this month of October. Okay, that is what Wheel of Fortune is related to you for this month. Okay, whatever you are thinking in previous misconceptions or deep rooted sanskars or whatever it is, you will be changing it unexpectedly and you will be transforming. Okay, so there will be transformation in this month because the Tower card is there. The sudden transformation will happen, sudden thing will happen, anything, that can be anything. Maybe you will be getting a message from a person, or maybe you will be getting a news from higher authorities, or maybe for very few of you I can see you might get some legal notice also very few of you, not everybody, because the emperor represents the higher authority, or police, legal, law firm, judge, military, so, or manager, CEO, so all higher authorities emperor represents, right? So tower and emperor are next to each other, so you, some of you might get a legal notice from somebody, which will be you will be little confused, so you don't know what to do, how to do. Maybe you will be getting some message from two people, and you are confused with the two of them, whom to choose, what to consider. Okay, so you are confused, and the communication is blocked between you and the other person, or you and the firm, or somebody, any company or somebody, if you are dealing with, because you are blindfolded and there are two swords here. So you both, you are confused between two things or two people. You are not able to take any decision how to proceed about that, and you will be ending something, because this 10 of swords is there. Even though this is very very painful, but you will be ending something. Okay, so maybe you have some past experiences, or you have past relationships, or you got separated from somebody, you ended a relationship with somebody, so that pain is there, so everything you want to let go. That is what I said, you will be transforming. So whatever pain, sadness, whatever past is there, you will leave the past, and definitely you have very very positive transformation in your love life, because the lovers card is there. As I told you, it might be a news from your lover, or somebody might be proposing you unexpectedly, so you don't know that this will come, this will happen. Okay, so in the month of October you might get the message from the other person. Okay, and number 4 also is prominent for you. Maybe October 4th something will happen. Okay, or maybe your birthday or the other person's birthday is in the month of April. So that is what I can say. But health, you have to be little careful, because you might have the insomnia, you might be not able to sleep at night because of overthinking. Okay, maybe because of the other person also, you might be thinking a lot, but you have to take rest, and you have to drink lot of water to keep yourself hydrated. So health, you have to be little careful. Apart from that, I cannot see anything in your life in the month of October. You will have little bit confusion and overthinking, over analyzing things. Okay, something unexpected will happen. Because of that, you might be thinking a lot, but that you have to give a break. And maybe the emperor will enter in your life. Maybe person is in love with you, or that person might come and propose you, whoever is a little bit older to you, or they are a little bit higher than you, like cadre or boss, or whoever it is. So that person might be coming into your life. Or one more thing is, you have to take care of your father's health also. Okay, so emperor, sometimes they feel it is kind of a father or a father figure, so you have to be little bit careful about your father's health also. Maybe unexpectedly you will hear something from about your father's health, some information about your father's health also. That might happen in the month of October. And about you, I can see that you are not much socializing with everybody. You will be sitting at home, staying at home, and spending time with your family, and you will be trying to save money. Okay, so you will be thinking about saving money, how to earn money. So all these things will happen in the month of October. And you will enjoy your life alone, like you are not socializing with anybody, even though you are in the big society or big complex, big apartment, but you are not mixing with anybody, talking to anybody. This month you will be enjoy alone. Okay, that's all. Then if you have any question in your mind, you can ask spirits and angels. This question can be about love, career, or whatever it is. So you can ask spirits and angels. What I will do is, I'll close my eyes and I will pick one chit for you. Then you can get the answer. Okay, think about the answer, I mean question, sorry. Think about the question and ask spirits about the answer. What answer is for your question? Okay, I will close my eyes and I will pull the chit. Okay, let me mix it properly. I have this card in my hand. Okay, it is maybe. So things are not clear for you in this month. So whatever question you are asking, not this is not related to this month. So if you want, maybe we can pull one more card, because it is saying maybe. So we will pull one more card to get correct answer. Okay. So whatever question you are asking, we will see whether it is yes or no or maybe or whatever it is. Okay. Okay, so the answer is no. That is why we got the maybe. Then for reconfirmation, I took a card and it is saying no. Okay, so I don't know what question you asked for, but the answer is no. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Let me take out these cards. Whoever chose this temperance card, this reading is for you. How will be the month of October for you regarding your money, career, finances, or love, health, family, whatever it is? We will ask spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. How will be my pile number 3 people's life in the month of October? So I think cards are tilted. One card is open. Okay. 2 cards already flew away. Let us pull some more cards. How will be the month of October for my pile 3? Okay, we will take these cards first. Okay, 4 of cups and page of cups. Justice. 6 of cups. The hermit. Bottom of the deck we have the Hierophant. Okay, let me arrange the cards first. Okay, hope you can see the cards. After seeing your cards, what I can feel is the signs which you are dealing with, or your signs, sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign, it can be Taurus or Libra, or it can be Virgo. Okay, it can be your signs or your person's signs. It can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also is very prominent here. 3 cards are there with cups. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see. Please take it however it resonates. So how will be this month of October? Let us see. So you chose the card Temperance. So that means you want balance in your life in the month of October, or you will get the balance in the month of October. So maybe your life is imbalanced, or maybe your lifestyle is not balanced. Maybe you are not sleeping at the right time, waking up at right time. So you are maybe you are overeating or not eating properly. So that everything will be balanced, or your health is not good or not balanced. So everything will be balanced in the month of October. So I can see here you will be meeting a person who is very intellectual, very socially very much respected person, higher official, higher authority, or maybe a very spiritual person, a kind of a pope or a priest. You will be meeting this person, and this person will teach you many things. Okay, so overall this month I feel that you will be spending more time on spirituality, because the Hermit card also says that it will be like meditating, retreating, soul searching, inner like you will be searching the souls inside. So you will be asking many questions to the God or universe. Maybe you are practicing some law of attraction techniques. So this month will be like that, or you will practice with the guru. Maybe you will be joining some classes, spiritual classes, or meditation, yoga, or anything like that. You might be taking some assistance from guru. Okay, so somebody will be there, then they will guide you, they will teach you. So maybe it might be physically, or during your dreams or something like that, but one priest will guide you properly. Okay, then in the month of October there might be some proposal coming towards you, but you are not accepting, you are ignoring, or you are rejecting the person's offer, or maybe you are getting a job offer which you are not ready to take. You are just saying no, I don't want this right now. So you will be a little bit reluctant to move forward. So you will be taking a break, taking a retreat, and you will be thinking a lot, like which is good for you, what gives you happiness. Okay, that is a kind of a messages I'm getting here. So simply you will be spending time with yourself. But for love life, I can see a very positive signs here. I feel that someone might be proposing you. Maybe that person is from your childhood, or you know that person very well. Maybe they're your classmate, college mate, or colleague, or your neighbor, childhood friend. Okay, so somebody might come to you and they might propose you. Okay, because page of cups is there. Even though that is not matured enough, this is just starting of your love life, I can say, because this person will propose you. For some of you, maybe you are dealing with the past person. You might be applying for a divorce, or the other person might be applying for a divorce, maybe because of the other person, third party, I can see. Maybe because of the person who proposed you. So you want to, not because of the other person, but what feeling I am getting is you are, for some of you, this is not for everybody, this is definitely a very particular message I'm getting here. So maybe already you are in a separation, and you are searching for the soul, and you are asking questions like, why this happened to me only, why I ended up into a wrong relations, or a wrong person. So I want to have take divorce, or I want to get rid of this person in my life, something like that. So because justice card is there, justice card means both it can be related to divorce also, at the same time you will be meeting your life partner also. So this, whoever proposes in the month of October to you, that person might be most probably your life partner. Okay, so or for some of you, you might be dealing with some legal matters, legal battle. So that you will be attending the, maybe you are discussing with the lawyers or something like that. So that legal matter will come up, or if it is already existing, then it will continue. There is not much changes in that. Okay, it will continue as it is. But the positive thing I can see is you are going in a spiritual path, and also you are attracting love of your life, and the person will come and they will propose you. Okay, so that's all I can see for you, pile number 3. Then if you have any question in your mind, you can ask spirits and angels, and they will answer you. This question can be anything. Okay, this question can be related to money, finance, love, career, marriage, or whatever it may be. Okay, so what I'll do is I will shuffle these chits, and I will close my eyes, and I will pick a chit, so you can get the answer. You can ask your question to the spirits and angels. I'll close my eyes and pick a card. Are you ready? Okay, so this is your answer. Let us see. So if the answer is reconsider. Okay, whatever question you are asking, don't take a hasty decision, reconsider. So maybe this is related to the justice card. Maybe you are, as I told you, you are dealing with the divorce case, or some legal case. So universe is saying reconsider. Okay, then you can take a right decision. Spend more time in the meditation than as you will be doing. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.